Dear viewers, welcome to another video by Seekhty. In today's video, we will learn to add or link Facebook pixel to our blog or website on blogger.com. The same method applies to adding Facebook pixel to any website by editing the website code. I will show you how to fix a common error that appears when we try to add Facebook pixel code snippet to our website's code. So let's start. Open blogger.com and log into your account. Click on Themes. Click on the Customize drop-down and select Edit HTML. The code editor opens. At this stage, I want to tell you an important concept that Facebook pixel is same for all of your websites being linked to your Facebook Ads Manager. So I have my Facebook pixel code in Notepad file. I will copy and paste it in the head section of my blog. Head section in HTML code starts with the word head written inside the less than and greater than brackets. This is called head tag in HTML programming language. If you are unable to find it in your website or blog's HTML code, click somewhere between code and press Ctrl F from keyboard to search head tag. If you don't click inside the code, your browser will not search inside the code by using Ctrl F key. Now we have to paste the Facebook pixel code right after this starting head tag. Click Save icon. Notice that Blogger is showing up an error. It is telling about a coding error in line number 19 of the code. You can see here is the line number 19. Now the problem with this code is that this sign, which is called ampersand, is written in the code line. This is wrong in terms of HTML coding. This is called named character entity in HTML programming language. To write it correctly, we have to add AMP and a colon after this symbol. So we will add AMP colon in line number 19 after both ampersand symbols. Click Save. Facebook pixel code has been successfully added to our blog's HTML code. Now let's check the Facebook pixel in Facebook Ads Manager. I am in the Events Manager window of my Facebook Ads Manager. Let's refresh this window to check if pixel has been connected to our blog or not. Pixel is not shown connected. Let's click on Test Events. I am copy pasting my blog's link in the Test Events window. Click on Open Website. It is working fine but not showing in Events Manager. We have to wait till some activity happens on our blog, that is, when anyone will visit our blog, we will see data in pixel. I have opened Events Manager in my smartphone's browser. You can see the pixel is working fine. I hope you will find this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Take care. Bye bye.